So how will the revenue will be recognized in case of AMC contracts? It's a simple recognition. Straight line it over a period of time. Straight line over the period of the contract. That is how the revenue recognition is done for AMC. You take an AC, you have to pay the AMC in advance. So from an AMC, the AC guy perspective, he will recognize the revenue over the period of time. Service contracts. In many companies, the billing pattern or the unit of measurement is basically based on the number of transactions that is clocked. Number of transactions that is clocked. That is, you complete 100 transactions, you bill me 100. You complete 200 FP, Airbus, there are ticketing systems. That number of tickets that is resolved, you get paid based on that. It is based on the completion of a particular activity or completion of a particular service. This is known as service contracts. So when will you recognize the revenue of those service contracts? When the activity or the service is completed. Can you from your side give me examples? Other set of examples which will fall under this category based on activity completion. Brokerage and commission is the best of examples. So any service contracts where you get paid at the end of the contract or completion of service is basically service contract.